How to connect Polk Signa S2 subwoofer. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Polk Signa S2 subwoofer to the soundbar, whether it is automatically or manually. If your subwoofer isn't connecting, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to get it working perfectly. Let's get started. Step 1. Automatic connection. Step 1. Plug in both the soundbar and the subwoofer to power outlets. Turn them on using the power buttons. Normally, they pair automatically. Check the LED light on the back of the subwoofer. If it turns solid green, you're all set. That means the connection was successful. Step 2. Manual pairing. Step 2. If the subwoofer light is blinking green or red, it's not connected. Unplug both the soundbar and subwoofer for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Now, turn on the soundbar first. Next, press and hold the sync button on the back of the subwoofer for 3 to 5 seconds. The LED should blink rapidly. Then, go to the soundbar and press the Bluetooth and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them for 5 seconds. Wait a few moments. The subwoofer LED should turn in solid green, which means it's now paired. Step 3. Understanding the LED indicators. Here's a quick guide to what the lights mean. Solid green, successfully connected. Blinking green, searching for connection. Blinking red, pairing failed or out of range. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your Polk Signa S2 subwoofer. I hope this video helped you out and get everything up and running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.